Hey and welcome to Mad Investor. As you know, I always like to cover the Binance Launchpads and launch pools so people can actually, participate in it using their BNB, BUSD and other tokens. And this time there is an option to get another fun token, which is Manchester City Binance Launch Pool. And if you want to find Binance Launch Pool, you always go to the top left to those 9 squares, then you go to Launchpad. And inside the Launchpad, you can find the Launchpads and launch pools. So currently on Launchpad, there's still FC Porto Fan token, which is still going on. I've covered that in a previous video. But we're going to the upcoming launch pool, which will start farming in 13 hours, 27 minutes and 45 seconds. So we're currently in the preparation mode. But that's cool. Let me tell you a bit more about it. So you can actually stake Chiliz, BUSD and BNB to farm and earn City. City, it's a Manchester City fun token, a fun token for Manchester City built on the Chiliz Chain. So that's why you are able to stake also Chiliz, because it's actually built on their chain. So as you can see, there's a different allocation of the rewards of the City. So total rewards will be 291,000 over a 30 days farming period. So the biggest allocation is obviously going into BNB, which is 70% of the allocated rewards. Then we have a Chiliz pool going 20% of those total allocated rewards, and BUSD, which covers 10% of the allocated rewards. So that means that when we look at the APY, obviously the highest one will be on the BNB, then Chiliz, and then BUSD. So what you can do already, you can click, for example, on BNB, and you can already stake that token. So you can choose which one you want, BNB pool, BUSD or Chiliz. Then you choose, press stake to do that. And then you choose the amount you want to do it. The minimum amount to stake BNB is 0.01 BNB. You cannot put less than that. So thanks to it, when it starts farming, it will already start farming for you in this 13 hours. So you can already prepare yourself and put it right now. And you can claim rewards, redeem rewards every hour. So don't worry, at any moment also you can unstake. So you have actually freedom over your funds. You can always unstake. Every hour you can claim the rewards, but you don't have to. They'll just accumulate every hour. And let's say you can do it at the end of the promotion, because it will last for 30 days. And we see that at this moment there is already 212 BNB staked. So at this moment that's over 1. Let me actually do a quick calculation. 212, 129 times 650, that's more or less BNB. That's $137 million already staked in that program at this moment. So, that's a lot, but it's great because you can already start staking, prepare yourself. Let me just cover some of the detailed rules as well about the Manchester City Fund token. So the total supply is 20 million of City with a circulating supply of 3.7 million, and the launch pool supply, as I mentioned to you, 291,000. And this is the supported pools, as you can see, and the promotion will run over 30 days. So it will start at 11 of November at the midnight UTC, and it will finish at 10 of December at 11:59 UTC. So you actually have the option, especially if you hold BNB, you'll have the option to just farm other token in a really nice way. But let me just show you as well how you can do it in both ways, because obviously I've covered Porto as well, and Porto is the subscription based one. So when you actually put into the City, and when you when you stake it, you can still actually have the daily average for the Porto if you're planning to buy it in this 5 days when it will launch. So actually you can connect your launch pool with your launchpad in a nice way. So as you can see, this is a really nice way for everyone who is looking into building their portfolio, and especially if you already have BNB and if you're staking it for the long-term option, I think it's awesome for everyone. Obviously, if you look at their website, this is the Manchester City website. You can actually see the details of what's going on. But I think it's cool that more esports are actually joining the crypto journey, as actually it's bringing a lot of fans as well into into cryptocurrency. So that means it's bringing a lot of more capital inside the cryptocurrency market. So to be honest, we'll see how it goes. In 13 hours it will start farming. In 30 days after, it will actually see the how it will go, and from tomorrow we should probably see as well the APY on that project. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do, just leave a like and subscribe, so thanks to it you won't miss any of the new videos. As you can see, I cover a lot from the new tokens, Binance Launchpads, overview of some projects, so thanks to it, you know, new things are actually coming, and you know, I want to make sure that you're up to date with everything what's going on. This is it from me, and well, see you in the next video. Take care.